Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. Today we will be doing it a bit faster. So what we need to do first? First we will go to HLB geotagging, right? And from here we need to select to be geotagged, and after that let's say any village, this one, right? We'll click it and then we will place it. Let's say here I am. It shows some school, right? I will place it here, school, and then I will complete it, right? After completing it, we will save it. The color also turns to yellow, and then we will draw the HLB demarcation. Click and drag. Click and drag. This is only the only technique. Click and drag. Right. So now we will change it to complete and save it. How easy, you can see that it's very easy, right? Now I will cover this area as another HLB. We'll again go to geotag and let's say this one, and we will another school 1. What we will do, we will change the status to complete and then we will save it. After saving this, we will draw the boundaries. Let's say we will draw the boundaries here like this. This is the demarcation process. Click and drag, and then I will go to this and then I will double click it. Once I will double click, this area has been demarcated, and now I will change the status to completed. Okay, in this way this is also completed. I will draw another HLB, right? So I will go to the tool to be geotagged and I will take any other village. Let's say there is nothing, so we can give our own geotag. It's let's say temple or anything we can mention as per the area wise mondal, and or ward members, they may be knowing, or gaon pradhan, they may be knowing what exactly the location and landmark is there. We can ask them and put the landmarks accordingly, right? So what we will do, we will complete the status to save, and after that we will go to demarcation, and then we will demarcate it, right? It is very much easy. You can see how fast I am doing the demarcation process, right? Double click it, done. We'll just complete it and save it. Similarly, we will do the demarcation here, another HLB, right, to be geotagged, and let's say this one is the another HLB. I will put it here, some landmark, let's say church, right? So we'll change the status to complete and save it. After that we will go to the demarcation. We will start demarcating, right? Let's say this is our HLB demarcation. So we'll just clicking it and dragging the cursor, and in this way we are demarcating each HLB, right? We'll okay, and then we will change the status to complete and save it. See, I have created 4 HLBs and in a span of around 4 to 5 minutes, right? In this way we need to do it in our production. We should be fast because there will be a lot of HLBs we need to draw, right? Okay, now I will place it here. Let's say farm shop, anything I can mention in our landmark name, and now I will change the status to completed and save it. After that we will create this HLB, right? So from there, here we will start clicking and dragging, and then we are completing it like this, and we are double clicking it, right? So this is our HLB. If we change the status to complete, and then we are saving. One important thing, see, every time we are for the new HLB demarcation, we are considering to be geotagged, right? But these are some of the HLBs which are already completed. Then how we can change the completed HLBs, right? So for changing the completed HLBs, we need to go to the demarcation. If let's say we need to change something in this completed HLB also, then we will go to that not to be demarcated. In this time, now we will go to the completed, right? Let's say 0034. I forgot which exactly what was the. Okay, let's say this is the HLB. It is also, this is completed, right? And we need to change it somewhat, but this, see, this status is completed, right? But still we can reshape it. After completion also we can reshape it, but the status will be changed to completed to modified. Let's say we want to include this portion also to this HLP, right? It's clear that this portion will be included in this HLP, but you can see that the status is already completed. After completion also we can change the HLP, right? So if we save it, you see the area has been this extended area has been captured in this HLP, but now in modified we can see this HLP 0030, right? See, this HLP will be visible under modified, not under completed. Got it now? So this is the difference between first time we will be doing, it will be in to be demarcated. If after doing we are not completing it, it will be in progress. After completion the status will change to completed, and after completing also if we are doing any modification, then it will be going under modified. This is basically the meaning of all this drop down menus, right? Similarly here also these are the options that after geotagging, for the first time we will use to be geotag. If the geotag we are keeping it in progress, then it will be showing in progress. If it is completed, then it will be showing in completed. Let's say we are we want to see what are the geotags completed, and see these are so many geotags which are already completed. Got it? So in this way this is, and after completion if we want to modify it, right, then we will use modified also. Let's say let's say I want to change this completed one to modified, right? Let's test it first. Okay, let's say this is the landmark which is already completed, and I need to change it, right? So and what I will do, I will click it, I will go to, you got it how I am doing? See, I will go to the geotagging, right? And after that I will cancel it, I will do it from the beginning. Let's say I need to change the landmark location, right? So what we'll do, it's this HLB is already completed because it is showing in green. So what we'll do, we'll go to the completed, because we need to change the demarc this location Dhira to Subhas Lungeli, right? So what we'll do, I want to change that landmark, right? So I'll go to the completed, and then I will select this one, right? 0026. After that I will click here. Now what we'll do, we need to change the landmark from Dhira to this one, right? So what we'll drag, we will drag it to this portion, and after that we will update it. After updating, the landmark has been changed to Subhas Lungeli. Got it, right? So this is the process of changing the landmark also. So this is all about our HLBC portal. In case of any doubt, you can